Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install WordPress 5.8.2 on Windows operating system. So this is Windows 10. If you have Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10 or 11, you are good to go as long as you have this PHP, a web server like Apache, a database, MySQL or MariaDB installed and running. If you want to get up and running quickly, you can go ahead and install XM package, which gives you access to everything that you need to run WordPress or similar CMS. So you can see I've got my Apache and MariaDB, which is MySQL running. I can access them by clicking this admin tab here buttons. So this is homepage and this is PHP admin to manage my database. I can create, delete databases using PHP admin. So let's get started. I assume that you already have XAMPP or MAMP or similar software package installed and running on your Windows operating system. Once you have that, go ahead and launch your preferred web browser and then go to wordpress.org and click on this Get WordPress. Okay, here we go. So you can see and this is what we have. Download WordPress 5.8.2. So we are going to require these packages and softwares pre-installed and running. So PHP, MySQL or MariaDB, Apache or Nginx web servers. Alright, so go ahead and download it. And once it's downloaded, we need to unzip it. Okay, so it's almost there. In the meanwhile, what I will do, I will create a database. So go to localhost/phpMyAdmin or create your database the way you want. So WP582, and this is going to be UTF-8 general CI created, and you can see it's been created here, and there's no tables yet when you select it. So now we need to go ahead and unzip it and then put in this directory. So you can see this is the Apache web server. So wherever your Apache is installed, you can go ahead and open that particular folder. So my Apache is on the C drive, this PC, C drive, XM. And then you have to locate this htdocs folder, and in here you have to put this unzipped WordPress. Okay, so let it finish the downloading thing and then open it. So I'm going to open it. Anyway, it takes a bit longer, so I think it's done. Now go ahead and show in the folder. And I'm just going to hide other stuff and then unzip it. So right click, extract all if you don't have any unzipper. I have 7-zip, so I'm going to extract to this particular folder in the same directory. You can see here it is, and we are done. So there are a few ways you can move this to your htdocs folder. You can simply rename it. So I'm going to say WP582. Okay, and then copy everything or cut it. I just copied it, and then go to your XAMPP htdocs folder. So XAMPP and then htdocs, and paste that WordPress unzipped and renamed folder here. You can see it here now. It may take a bit longer, so it's just trying to copy and paste. I should have unzipped in this folder, but to make it simple, I'm going step by step. So here you can see it's going to be pasted in this folder, and we already have created the database. All we need to do is basically go to localhost slash and then the folder name, which is folder name of that particular WordPress, so WP582, and then hit enter. But make sure that you already have completed this ongoing copy paste thing here. Once it's done, we will refresh this page. So it's almost 60% now. And that's all you need. So when you have this XML installed, you already have a database username, which is root, and that doesn't have a password. So since we are doing everything locally, we don't need to have a password because it's going to be just kind of sandbox on your local system. So I'm going to use this database name, the root username, and with no password. So everything is pasted in this particular htdocs folder, which is WP582. Now we're going to take this folder name to access this WP installation. So simply go ahead and type in localhost slash the folder name and hit enter. And this is going to run the WordPress installation script in just a few seconds. You can see it here. So go ahead and select your language. And this is asking for about database name, username, password, host, which is localhost prefix. Let's go. So this is database name. We have 582 WP582 root. I don't have any password. This is what, if you want, you can change and hit submit. Please read this one. If you want to run multiple WordPress installation in single database, change this. Okay, so run the installation and we are done. Simply WP2020. I'm going to have this 2022, right? Admin name, password is going to be admin. Confirm password, confirm weak password. Admin is going to be, that's going to be the email for this local account, and then hit install WordPress and you have this WordPress installed on your system. So as soon as you install the WordPress, you will see the table. So 12 tables have been created. Okay, so those are default tables. If you don't have any plugin or any custom post type plugin installed on your system, that's what you get when you install WordPress, 12 tables. All right, now I can go ahead and log in with the username and password, admin, and go to appearance to check the 2021 theme. And if you don't need this theme, you can simply delete from here. Okay, you can delete them. Then you can go to check your plugins. If you're not going to use them locally, just remove them. So here we have WordPress 5.8.2 installed on our local system, Windows 10. Now there are a few configurations that you can do quickly. Go to settings, permalinks. If you don't like this, you can change the permalinks to post and save it. Now go to WordPress, click on hello world. So this is going to be just the URL, basically the slug of the post, not the date and year and month. Alright, that's it. Again, thank you for watching. Bye for now.